welcome to my channel. What's up, gorgeous? Hello, TT gang gang. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Liking my video does help me out as a content creator. Without any likes, I don't really know exactly what you guys want from me. I can only go based off on views, and sometimes views can be a little misleading. But so just go ahead and do me a favor and like this video, or at least comment down below what you want to see more of me about. Alright, so as you can see, I'm getting ready to cut my hair. I'm getting ready to shave the sides of my hair. And I'm going to shave the back. So here I'm going to just show you a few examples of what I want my hair to look like. Yes, it does resemble the same style that I had last year when I did the mohawk, but instead I'm not going to have any hair in the back. I'm just going to shave it all the way around. So some of these styles I got from, I can't even think of her name, but she was another YouTuber that does like a lot of short hair compilations, and I'm just gonna redo that style that I just showed you. So first here I'm going to just pick some of my hair out. I'm going to give you a little length check. So when I shaved my head, it was in December, and now I got some hair which I can grab and do a crochet. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but first I just pretty much lined up my hair from my temples on both sides, and I'm just using like a little razor that I got from the beauty supply store. It has a guard on it, so this is what I was using when I had my mohawk. So I'm going back to that style as I previously said. Just know I am going to get the clippers, but I just decided to do this first. So keep in mind that I already had like a vision of how I wanted my hair. The reason why I decided to cut my fro in the first place last year is because I wanted a different look. And then a lot of you guys don't know that in October I did put a texturizer in my hair, which did not take. And then I put another one in that same week, and my curls were so loose, which is the reason why I decided to just cut all my hair off and just start all over, because my curls was way too loose and the gel was like weighing my hair down. So that's the reason why I started over, just in case you were wondering. But here I'm just using the scissors. Mind you, I am nowhere near a hair technician. I do not specialize in this area, but I just go based off on what I see on YouTube and just what I just been normally doing. Even with relaxed hair, I was cutting my own hair. So everything is not going to be perfect or not going to be professional, but here I'm just laying the scissors flat to my head and then cutting. And mind you, this razor here, the purple razor, it is a little dull, so I am like literally scraping my head. So I'm somewhat done, but now you can kind of get a visual of where I'm going at with my hair. So I do got some length at the top. For those who do not know, I am low porosity, and the front of my hair is type 4 and the back of my head is like 3C, 4A. So I have a looser curl pattern in the back. You see my little curls are popping. I'm a little red right there because of the back of my neck, because of the razor. But the burgundy that you saw was just lint. So here I'm just doing a little quick turnaround, and yes, I have a little hook in the back of my head, which is the reason why I never like shaving the back part of my head out like that. But anywho, sometimes you just got to live with your flaws. So this is what my hair looks like after I just did like a little wash and go. But don't worry about the back, because I am going to shave that. You'll see that at the end of the video. So here I am using punta, some kind of afro twist. It gives you 3 hairs, and it's already split apart, but I should have halved that because it was way too thick to go in between the rubber, in between my hair, between the rubber bands. So I'm going to crochet this in my head. So I would say I got about 20, if that, of little plaits in my head. I just used the rubber bands, and so I can use that as a guide, so I can hook my. I'm showing you right here. I don't know why I can't talk, but anywho, you get what I'm saying. But yeah, the hair was way too thick as I was pulling it in, so I should have halved it. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, it did hurt. And I've never done this style on short hair. I've always done it on medium length. And with medium length, I never had to use rubber bands. So I would just like braid my hair in 3. And then put the crochet in. So I'm only using rubber bands because my hair is short and I cannot grip my own hair. So I'm just going to twist this all the way down. And as you see, I didn't twist it right. So make sure you twist your hair really tight so that it stays and it doesn't have like those loose gaps, as you can see. So where it's loose and then it's thin. So make sure you're twisting your hair correctly and with some grip so it's not loose once you undo it. Yeah, I noticed it and I had to redo it. But anywho, so we're just gonna like fast forward even more. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, please go ahead and do that. It is Lovable Tamika, and I post on Instagram. I actually did a little clip, which is this right here on my Instagram Reels. So only had a few left. Child, my hands was hurting. It was terrible. My arms was hurting. Everything was hurting. So yeah, that's just me going a little crazy with all the hair. So you're gonna see me put in a few more, and then we're gonna just finish out this whole video with the final view. And mind you that when I cut my hair, I didn't do all of this on the same day. So here I'm just twisting all of my hair. I found out that it was better for me to just install the weave and then go back in and twist it. So now it's all done. It's looking the way how I envision it. And then boom. And I'm done with this. So if you want more videos like this with crochet hair, just let me know. I did buy some more hair so I can switch up my different styles. So I will be wearing these protective styles for the rest of the summer till my hair goes out. Here I'm just showing you that I did go back in and shave my head, and I'm just showing you my little hook where it's even more visible, which is why I'm going to wear my hair all the way down. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you girls later. Bye.